I got my hands on the new Nokia 7.1. What's so good about it? Well, it offers a flagship design with a mid-range price, sub £300 here in the UK, $350 if you're in the US. That's impressive given how good this feels, but what else do you need to know about this phone? With a 5.84-inch screen, it's nice and compact. Similar size to the Honor 10, for example, it feels like the Honor 10 Super Premium. Glass front, glass back, Gorilla Glass 3 protecting with a metal frame. The frame is also a little bit squared off, so it feels really secure when you're holding it. 160 grams, really nice and well weighted as well. The display's an IPS Full HD Plus resolution panel, and Nokia gets its own tech in there to complement HDR, so you get the best viewing experience possible, it says. Hold tight for the full review and we will go into more details over on techradar.com. At 432 pixels per inch, it's also plenty sharp as well. And in our experience with it, I mean, you can see playing back video is a very enjoyable thing to do on this. What's even better about this phone is it ships with Android One. This means you're guaranteed 2 software updates to the next versions of Android. So you'll get Android Pie, Android 9 is the next update, and then Android 10, whatever that ends up being called. It also ships with 3 years of security patches as well to give you even more longevity. It's a really nice stock Android experience as well, and seemed zippy in my limited time using it. The Snapdragon 636 isn't going to blow any minds, but it should handle basic 3D gaming, and the 4GB of RAM will also help make sure day-to-day performance is pretty top-notch. With up to 64GB of storage, I wouldn't necessarily expect any less, but I wouldn't expect any more either. You've also got microSD card expansion options up to 400GB, so plenty of room for all your photos and videos. The cameras are also looking pretty decent. The main 12-megapixel camera around the back has an f1.8 lens to let in loads of light. The secondary 5-megapixel camera can capture depth information, and on the front you've got an 8-megapixel snapper. There are a few cool effects you can also implement, like both these introduced on the Nokia 8, so you can take both front and rear camera video simultaneously. You're also biometrically secured on here with a fingerprint scanner around the back, and with a 3060 mAh battery, the Nokia 7.1 with that 636 chipset should see you through a full day. Can't say anything too affirmative after my hour or so with the device, so that's why you'll want to check back to techradar.com, where you can find out a lot more about the Nokia 7.1 when we get a sample in for review. In the meantime, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.